welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anika K. How you doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel. We appreciate you over here on this side of the YouTube universe. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by my little portion of the YouTube universe. And if you do like the content here on my little old channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like this video and what I'm giving, what I'm serving, what I'm giving you today, make sure you hit the like button and also leave a comment down below. And share this video with a family, friend, or foe. Christmas is past, but you can also share it with a ho ho ho. Okay, so anyways, guys, if you've read the title of this video, then you guys know what it is. It's about to be a check-in, let you see how I spent my coins and let y'all see what's up, because okay, if you track your money, you know what's up, because it used to piss me off when I couldn't figure out where my money went, but it was missing. Okay, isn't that why we started the journey? Like, isn't that why we started budgeting? So yeah, let's budget, little baby. All right. Okay, y'all, so this is my budget book. It is a Simply notebook. I got it from Plum Paper. I think it costs about $25-$30. I don't remember, but I think so. But yeah, I got it from Plum Paper, and basically I just buy stickers and I left me a little note. Oh, look at me leaving myself a little note. But no, I bought this from Plum Paper, and so yeah, just use it as my budgeting book. But guys, here is the weekly check-in for this week. Yeah, so let's just get into it. Okay, so for this weekly check-in, it is from the 19th through the 25th, so basically through Christmas Day. Yeah, but for this one, I'm gonna do it out until December 31st, simply because I don't want to put another one on this side, and I don't have another one anyways, and I have space, and I don't really think I'm going to be spending a lot of money during the New Year's week. So let's get into it. So the first few one was on the 19th, and I spent unbudgeted on ExpressVPN. If you guys don't know what a VPN is, it's basically a way for me to watch my little videos that be in the States. That's not supported in Korea, or that Korea deems offensive or whatever. So yeah, and this is the annual subscription, so they charged me $99.95. And let me tell you, okay, when I made this little unbudgeted envelope, I did not plan for it to be this useful this early, but come through, okay? So unbudgeted was used, so $100 came out of that. Also, if you are new here, because you know I be forgetting to tell y'all, if you're new here, I do the amounts I paid for the items in this column. Then if I have like change in here, then I use the saving column to make it up to the next dollar, and then that's my total. Your girl doesn't like coins. It's an easy little saving trick. It saves you, you know, a couple of dollars here and there, and then you boom, you know, you have $10 sometime later. So that's what I do. But let's get back into the weekly check-in. So then from health, I bought some cough drops. It's winter. It's already, you know, no need for explanation. Little Roro out there acting up, and ain't nobody got no time. Okay, total of $5. Then I found this little this little grocery store by my house. It's like 4 minutes from my house, and I was like, where have I been my entire life that I do not know about this? Hello, excuse me. Okay, what's up? So anyways, I bought groceries, $27 total. It was the fruits, guys. It was the fruits. And I bought me some scrimps. So, and they were bomb. I made me some coconut curry shrimp pasta. Girl, guy, get into it, whatever you are. So yeah, that was cool. Then this is in green, guys, and it says from my tithing and transfer to unbudgeted. Now here's what happened, little baby. I still pay my family phone bill in the US. However, like, they are paying me back when I pay it, right? So tithing, since I have to give it to them anyways for them to deposit, what we said was like, listen, we're gonna have a flat $140 per month. You give us your tithes minus the $140, and that's basically us paying you back, and we'll put it in church. And I was like, bet, say less, what's up? So that's what happened, and that's how that $140 happened. So anyways, yeah. And then next we had our waxing appointment. Whoo, child, thank God. We had our waxing appointment and that was $79.70. Guys, I thought it was over $80, but we made it in a little bit. And it was $80 total. This one right here was when I thought my waxing, cause listen, when I got my waxing and they swiped the card, it said 81. It said 80.18, so I was like, okay, it's $81. I just take it from miscellaneous. But then the finalized balance was $79.70, and I was like, oh, I got the $80. I don't need to go to miscellaneous. I can put this money back. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put back this dollar because right now it should be included because I've already moved the money. So once we add it up, we're gonna minus this $1 and we should be G to G. Okay. So next thing is budgeting buys. Let me tell you, okay? I bought me some of those stuff for the budgets. I'm using them. I'm even using them right now. This little note thingy, this little sticky note, that's a star. That was a part of the budgeting buys that I had. So I used the remaining funds in budgeting buys, which was $2 to pay for it. Then I used the remainder of my allowance, which was $7 to pay for it. And then from miscellaneous, I took $1. It was $9.94 and I took $1 and so made up to 10. And the last thing on the 23rd was budget supplies. I don't remember what I bought. I think this was for my 2021 goals. Like, I'm pretty sure this was the $544 for my 2021 goals. So that was what the $6 was for, and I took it from miscellaneous. I'm like 98% sure, 99.9% sure that's what this is for, but you know, it is what it is. Then on the 24th, what a change. Okay, so for this one, right, it came from unbudgeted, and I sent it to my dad in Jamaica. It was Christmas Eve. I sent him a little extra coins. It is what it is. The total of it came up to $84.69. You know, I moved the change over, and then it was $85 total. But this money was already in my savings bank account. So what I need to do, because I'd already written it in black, ain't about to change. I need to, I'm going to put in bracket back to bank. Just so I know, so I can move that money to back to bank folder. So yeah, so this $85 will be in back to bank. Then groceries. Listen, I didn't feel like cooking on Christmas Eve, so we bought us some Tebas, $16.12, $17 total. Listen, okay, Tebas had made bank. They have made bank off of me during this 2020, okay? This 2020 year, they have made bank off of me alone. They don't need nobody else. They don't need no help. Off of me alone, they made bank. So one thing I did forget to put on here, and I think it happened on the 23rd, was my tithing. So I'm gonna put it in here. So, because yeah, I have that part. So my parents took my tithes. So 2023, they have a card to my bank account. So they're able to take out my tithes out of my bank account. So I just go back, deposit, and yeah, we are good to go. But let me verify. Where's this tithes? Where is this tithes? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, y'all. So I found my wallet. I took it to the bank the other day, but okay. So we have 2 envelopes in here that I brought with me. Let's see what's in these. Okay, so I brought tithing with me and back to bank, and I definitely put those money back in the bank. So yeah. We just put everything in savings. Back to bank went directly to savings, and then tithing went in the bank for my parents to withdraw. So I need to update these actually. So to write this line right here was a whole struggle, okay? A whole struggle. Let's just move on. But no, so I deposited the rest of my tithes to the bank, and so that was $420, and so it went to church. And then for back to bank, this was money I needed to put back in my savings, and so I just deposited, and that was $275. So these in green have already been used. So only thing we need to calculate is everything in black. So we're gonna calculate that up right now. Okay, 351, guys, 351. So I didn't line this out until recently, and I didn't take out the dollar. So it should be 352 in there, and then we just need to remove that $1. So let me find, and look, guys, it's a new budget finder. Scream with me. Oh man. Okay, so this is this week's check-in. So let's take out that cash. Matter of fact, let's take out that one and CC payment. That is all we need. Yep. And let's take out CC payment because we're going to be doing a transfer of funds anyways from one cash envelope to the other. And we'll put this on the side. So this is this week's check-in. So in this week's check-in, we should have $352, and then we need to take out this $1 and then put it back in miscellaneous. Cause like I said, guys, the currency conversion was got you, girl. So let's move this over. Oh, actually, let me put it in reach area. So let's count up this money right here. Okay, here. Okay, so let's go. So this is 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 200. Well, that was convenient. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Well, that was convenient. 300. Okay. I ain't mad at it. Okay. We in the ballpark of where we need to be. So I ain't even mad at it. So this right here, guys, is 300 from what we had this week. So this needs to be $51. $51. Well, 52, and then we'll take off the 1. So let's count. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. Okay. Yes, ma'am. So we did it, guys. We took out the money out of everywhere for everything that we have spent this week, and this is $352. So like I said, we need to take out $1. So I'm just going to take this $1 to the side to put back in miscellaneous. But we now will be transferring this money now into CC payment, which is the credit card payment right here. So we are just going to add this in. So 5s and 1s. Okay. So these are 50s. So we're going to put that here. These are 20s. So let's put that there. These are 10s. Got a whole bunch of 10 now. I'm hoping this can fit in the little thing because little baby. It's a whole lot of 1s too. So yeah, let's take that. Well, we can put that on the back. Okay, guys. And so this will be a part of my closeout for December. Y'all will see how much total I have spent. So this will be a part of the closeout of December budget, which is happening on the 31st. So I hope you guys are enjoying. Okay, first of all, second and third. Okay, you gonna go in because I told you to go in. Okay, you gonna stop acting up on this camera in front of these people like you ain't got no home training. Now work with me. Okay. Good. Like I said, home training. Thank you. Ain't that how your mom be talking to you? Who, child? But no, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Yeah, I've been thinking about doing this for a while. Little baby knew she was not about to do Vlogmas. Like 25 days, no ma'am, no. But y'all can get the 7 right here, and I'll do it for fact and for free. So I hope you guys are enjoying this little countdown to new year video series. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, little baby. Share this video with a family, friend, and a foe, little baby. And also, if you do enjoy the content here on my little part of the YouTube universe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, my name is Anique NK. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.